everybody, this is me Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some products from banggood.com. So this particular website sent me some products, in fact a lot of products to review, and there will also be a giveaway, a small mini giveaway. Before I start this video, I would like to talk to you about something, and that is that one of my friend, very good friend called Diwakar Rawat, has published an e-book of poetry. So if you guys are into books and into poetry, especially short poems that kind of encapsulates everything in like 4, 5 to 10 lines, then this is the book for you. They are very contemporary, very romantic, and very stirring sometimes. You know, some of the poems are very absurd, some of the poems are really something that you can relate to, and therefore I would like to introduce him to all of you guys because you watch my videos. Some of you might be interested in poetry. You can follow him on Instagram, on Facebook. It's an ebook and you can buy the book. It's only for 110 rupees on Amazon.com, and you can read it on your Kindle. So this is my phone. This is the book that he has published, and you can just read it. You can scroll it, and it is divided into parts, and you can read all of these in just half an hour. And they are very quotable lines. You can quote them, you can use them on your own Instagram pages, and yeah, I really like it. If you guys are interested, you can check that out. I'll leave all the links down below. I always inform you guys about fashion, about marketplaces, about many other things, but this is food for thought. When you read it, it will make you think about many things, and therefore sometimes it's important to think, Think is a very important word. So if you are somebody who thinks, who likes to explore, then you should go ahead and read the book. You can even download the sample and see for yourself. By the way, I'm shooting this video again after a week because everything got corrupted. I got only half of the footage, and therefore I'm reshooting it right now in this hot weather. And so half of the footage should be from today and half of the footage should be from that day, that is a week ago. So I hope you don't mind that. Anyway, the first thing that I want to show you are these brushes. I love the brushes that they have sent. It's one of the most, like, the softest of brushes. I especially like how I have got 5 big brushes for powder, for foundation, concealer, and then I've got smaller ones for my eyes, concealer, etc. So not only that, I extremely like the way it has been designed. It's very similar to the Sigma brushes, of course not the same, and I like the color. The combination of white and golden is very pretty, and I really like it. Golden is very in these days, and therefore I chose this one, and they are very good. I leave the links of everything in the links down below. The next thing that I want to show you are eyeshadow. So they came in these kind of pouches, very simple generic eyeshadow, and when I open it, I absolutely love the color, the range of color it has. It's a mini palette. All of them are like in mini sizes, and I absolutely love that because I can carry it if I'm traveling. And you have this small film here, and you have these beautiful colors. If you get this palette, you don't need anything because you have the nudish colors, you have the very greenish, you have the pinkish tones, you have the creamy tone. So I loved this palette. I've got the same one here. So these are the same 2 palettes. So I'll swatch it for you. One, I'll keep it intact because I want to give it away to you guys. I'll swatch some colors for you. Look at the colors. It's gorgeous. This is a blue toned color, this is a tealish green in color, and this is a pink one. They are very pigmented, very nice. So I've got these 2. One of it I will keep it with me, and the other one I don't want to hold makeup because I don't apply makeup that much. So there's no point of me keeping this one, so I'll give it away to you, one of you, this one, and there will be a lipstick in the giveaway that I'll show in a while. The next thing that I want to show you is this beautiful lipstick. It's a beautiful red color, and I loved it so much. I've been using this a lot. My sister loves it too. So this is an orangey red color. This was more like dark red. This is a more orangey red color, and I like this one as well. The last one is the pink one. Who can forget pink? I ordered this because of its name. It's called 31 Bell. It's also in one of the cutest candy pink color. The color, these are so cute. Amongst all the three of them, this is the favorite one that I liked a lot, but I'll give this away again. I would like to give it to somebody, and this will also go in the giveaway. So the next product is the black suction mask. It says absorbing pores, blackhead and stubborn dirt, and helps to improve dull and rough skin. You must have seen this on Facebook or in one of the YouTube videos for sure, because these were very popular. So it comes in a very sticky kind of a formula. It's like proper charcoal black. So it comes in this kind of a consistency. You have to put it in areas where you have blackheads. So you have to let it dry and you have to peel it off. It works really well for blackheads, and also it removes a little bit of tan from your skin. So I really like this product, although I don't have much time to do it every time, but I try to do it once in a month at least around my nose area. So yeah. The last product is again a very interesting product. This is called Printing Pretty Brows. Accurate and convenient printed brows. So this of course prints a shape on your brow. I had seen this on Facebook, also on some YouTube videos, and I was really curious about it. And when I saw this on their website, I was like, yes, I have to try that one, because if you can see, I don't have much of a brow. I have very thin brows, and it's been always like this. In my family, everybody has very thin brows, while on the other hand, in today's time, brows are thick and well made. So I thought, why not try this out? It comes in a small bottle like this, and we have two imprints. It's almost like you're stamping it on your brows. So you have two stamps like this. On the bottom you have your brow product with a mirror here. So what we need to do is we need to stamp this on the brow product. So we have product on the sponge here, and what I need to do is I need to stamp it on my brow. So I'll just do that. So you can see the difference. So this is my natural brow, and this is the one that I've stamped on. Now if you think that you have excess of product here, you can just brush it with your brow brush, or you can remove it and adjust it. But look at the difference. So look at this, such a thin line, and look at this, like it has made it very thick and noticeable. So you can see the difference between these brows and the earlier ones, where it's so much more defined and dense. You can alter and tweak the amount of product that you would like to apply. If you want lighter, if you want darker, you can change. What I do is I first stamp it like this. I don't touch the end part, and then I stamp it like this because I want an arch, and therefore I do it that way. And I really love this product. So finally we come to the end of the video, and I would like to announce once again that I'm giving away this eyeshadow palette and these pink bubbly Bell lipstick to one of the subscribers. So I hope you like the video, and if you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye!